class, functional English grammar, use of sentences and the importance of a verb in a sentence. No confusion, no complexity, only simplicity and clarity. Let's learn today use of sentences and the importance of a verb in a sentence. Dear learners, we make use of sentences to speak, read and write. Words are grouped into bigger units in various ways, depending upon their parts and function. The correct use of the words will help the learner to construct a meaningful sentence. And one of the words in a sentence must be a verb. A verb adds a meaning to a sentence. A verb creates a sense in a sentence. A sentence is incomplete without a verb. So we can say that the verb is the most essential part of a sentence. In the absence of its verb, the sentence is incomplete. Hence, the verbs plays an important role in a sentence. Every sentence must have a verb. So here you can see subject plus verb plus object. This is the combination to complete a sentence, to create a complete sense, to make a meaningful sentence. The use of a verb completes a sentence and expresses a complete thought or an idea, and it creates a sense. Hence, the verb is known as the most essential part of a sentence. Here, the verb plays an important role in creating a sense to a sentence. A verb is a word that is derived from the Latin word verbum. It is one of the parts of the speech. Hence, we can say that we make use of sentences to speak, read and write. Verb plays a vital role in English grammar and have multitude of assignments. A verb is very important part of any sentence. A verb puts a subject into motion. A verb offers more clarification on the same subject. A verb tells us that some act has been carried out by the subject. A verb form shows the time of action or states tense. A verb form shows duration of aspect. A sentence is considered complete without a verb. Learners, now ask yourself, what can you do without verbs? And your answer will be nothing. Dear learners, the most important thing you need to understand is that every subject must have a verb. If this rule is not followed, then you can end up with a big writing error and a blunder. Learners, always pay a close attention to how a word and how a verb is used in a sentence. Dear learners, let's see the following examples. I like coffee. Here, I is a subject, like is a verb, and coffee is an object. I have a pencil. Here, I is a subject, have is a verb, and pencil is an object. I saw an eagle. Here, I is a subject, saw is a verb, eagle is an object. I see a cow. Here, I is a subject, see is a verb, and cow is an object. This is a bag. Here, this is a subject, is a verb, and bag is an object. They have a car. Here, they is a subject, have is a verb, and car is an object. It's a mango. Here, he is a subject, it is a verb, and mango is an object. Learners, we are not discussing here auxiliary verbs and main verbs. We will discuss it later in the coming classes. Now we are discussing about the importance of verb in a sentence. So always remember that we are only discussing about the role of verbs in a sentence. We are watching a movie. Here, we is a subject, are is a verb, watching is also a verb, and movie is an object. Thus, we have understood today that verb plays an important role in a sentence, and the most important part of a sentence is the verb. And we make use of sentences to speak, read, and write. Thank you, learners. So far, we have discussed 3 topics. In the topic 1, we have discussed the sentence. In the topic 2, we have discussed kinds of sentences. And in the topic 3, we have discussed use of sentences and the importance of verb in a sentence. And in the next class, Functional English Grammar, we are going to discuss a topic on phrases. Dear learners, all the links of the previous classes, Functional English Grammar, are given below in the description with complete notes. Thank you.